Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with a tutorial using two of the palettes from the new Lithe Avatar, the last Airbender collection. I finally got mine. I ordered it on May 31st, but the site crashed after like 2 or 3 minutes. It crashed. So I had to wait, and then those who had to wait were on pre-order, so we had to wait for them to restock it and whatnot. So I just got mine. I just did an unboxing so you can see all the things that are in the collection. It's a beautiful collection and I love Avatar. I haven't watched the whole anime, but I watched it when my kids were younger. They love Avatar too, so I need to get back and rewatch it, but I loved it. And I showed you all the things that were in it. Beautiful items. The bag was what got me, the Appa bag. So cute. And I took the little thing that they had inside and I cut off part of it, the little advertisement thing. And I took the little, because it had like a little advertisement over here about it being sustainable and whatnot. And I cut that off and it kept the little Appa, so I'm going to hang him up because the collection will be displayed. I am one of those people who buy makeup, some of it for display. And if you've seen my collection videos, I suggest you check those out if you want to see what eyeshadows and things like that I have in my collection. I have display palettes, and these will be display because I ordered some shelves. They should be here in the next week or so. So those are going to go up on the wall along with that and the bag. So cute. But today I'm doing 2 of the 4 palettes because I figured I would just do one on each eye. I've never done a look on each eye, but this was really fun. I am using the Fire Nation palette. I really wish this had a bright orange in it, but this is an orange red. It looks orange on camera, but it's more of an orangey red, and it's very pretty. And I love that there's a black in there. I did not use that. I forgot to show that I put in an inner corner for the Fire look, which is a mix of this color and the gold. Because I was taking my pictures, I'm like, dang, I forgot to do an inner corner. And those of you who watch me or follow me on Instagram know I have an inner corner highlight. I don't do my makeup without it. It's just me. But I worked with these. These were very nice. They're not as bold as they look in the pan, especially this color here, which is called Fire Sages. It goes on really light, but you can build it. And then I blended out the crease with this color here, which is Ang's Kai. Is it? Yeah. Ang's Kai. And they both look about the same color on the lid. They blended out real good, but they both look the same on the lid, this dark color and this orange, which is kind of weird, but it came out fine. And then I used this color in the middle, which is Roku, on the lid, which is a beautiful fiery duochrome of orange and burnt red. It's so pretty. That's so pretty. And then I also used the liners in the Fire and the, where's my thing for the, oh, here it is. The Fire and the Water, because I did Fire and Water. And I'm kind of everywhere. But I did the Water liners. You get 2 in here, and then I did the Fire. And I used, with the Water, I used both of these. I used both of these. I used the dark one as a liner over a black liquid liner, and then I used this Brandy, sorry, as my accent. I did the symbol for Fire over here, and then I did the symbol for Water over here with the liners. And I did use this liner from Fire. I used that as my wing. And then I did not use the other one from Fire, which is like a dark brown. I did not use that. But you'll see all the products that I use. And I also use the lipstick in Tylee. These lipsticks are absolutely gorgeous. The packaging, they're embossed. And then the print on these is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the, let me bring it in a little bit. I did show it a little closer. So you can see the, there we go. You can see the print on these, how they're embossed. They're so pretty. And since I was doing, doing a like neutral and cool toned, I just used the cool tone, more cool tone neutral lip, and it looks very nice, very comfortable. Have no problem with that. And then with the water one, I didn't show you, this is the water. And this palette was also gorgeous. I have the center one on the halo. I did a halo eye, and I used this as a transition in my crease, this to blend out the brow bone, and this for the darker part of the halo. Absolutely gorgeous. And then this color here for the inner corner. They were gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This blue though is not as impactful as I wanted it to be, because it's like a blurple. I wanted it to be BAM, but you have to build it up, and it is more of a dusty dark navy, as you can see. But it came out beautifully, and these colors are gorgeous, and the accents are just, I took my time because my hands were kind of shaky. I had coffee. I'm not supposed to have coffee with sugar because I'm watching my sugar, but I was so tired this morning, I had to have something to wake me up. So I had a little bit of coffee in my Attack on Titan coffee mug. But yes, but I loved how it came out. I also used on the cooler tone side, the highlight is this one here. They had one highlight in the collection, and I used it, and it has a pink reflex, and it was kind of glittery, so I mixed it with my Project Pan. I mixed it with my Project Pan highlight, which is more of a, like a champagne. So I mixed them together, and they made a nice, it toned down that glitteriness from this one. This is White Lotus, absolutely beautiful though. But this is the looks, these are the looks that I created with both of these palettes. I'm so sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm kind of tired. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, and I wanted to get this done. And then I will be doing a look with the other two, which is the Earth and the Air. I'll do those at a later time, but I love how they came out. I love Lithe Cosmetics. I have plenty in my collection. Again, check out my eyeshadow collection videos, and you can see what I have. And they all, most of them have some swatches, but my single eyeshadow collection that I'm currently doing has swatches of everything. And I also have lethal coming, my lethal singles coming too. But if you picked up this collection, let me know if you picked up anything from it. Let me know as well. Let me know your thoughts about this lovely indie brand. I've been with them for many years. They have even reposted some of my looks on their Instagram, which I really, really appreciate. I thank you so much for them doing that. But we'll go ahead and get into these tutorials, and I thank you again for being here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram for more tutorials, collections, things of that nature, and we'll see you in the next video.